This is the elevator here to Stamford Medical Center in Niagara Falls, Ontario. It's an Otis, modded by Otis. Here it is. Okay, I'll be right back. B. Here B. Free. Here free. Before you're going to?
Oh, we're going to the lobby, please.
Okay.
That your new job?
I'm just an elevator enthusiast. There's a whole group of people who film elevators and they put them up on YouTube.
Oh, I see.
Because
Oh, that's interesting.
because I have autism and
Oh, I see. That's good.
yeah.
So you just photograph it, or
Yes.
you film it?
Yeah, I film elevators.
Okay. Very good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Oh, well, are you going up?
Yeah.
Okay. This is actually going down, bro.
That's okay.
I'm just an elevator enthusiast.
Cool. The old days, you have operate.
Yeah, I've never been on one of those before, but this is actually pretty simple. I guess we can get our cab view now. I don't know why that happened. There's no phone in there. Oh, there's a phone in there. Have a nice day, sir. But I guess we'll continue our cab view. Overall, it's just your basic medical building elevator, nothing too fancy, obviously. This used to be an Otis Series 1. Capacity is 2,500 pounds. I'm gonna end on 1, which is where my mom is waiting. Door code does not work on this elevator. clear one. There it goes, and that's it.